Good afternoon, guys. Christian from Competition Cars. Today we're going to be looking at the undercarriage of this 1965 Lincoln Continental suicide door convertible. Absolutely gorgeous car. 88,000 miles, and it just came back from a full restoration from Stovall Restorations out of Golden, Texas. They specialize in these mid-60s restorations, and they did an absolute hell of a job on this one. So today we're going to be looking at the undercarriage. So let's get right into it. Chrome and trim moldings look phenomenal. Crystal clear. No pitting, no chipping, no staining, nothing like that. This car is absolutely one of a kind. Coming on the rear end, exhaust, all brand new. You'll never have to worry about an exhaust leak. Zero rust under here. Gas tank looks amazing. No leaks from the rear differential. I mean, this car, now it wasn't a nut and bolt restoration, but I mean, when I tell you this car is, I mean, it is like new. It is like new. It wasn't a rotisserie restoration or anything like that, but I mean, they did a heck of a job on this vehicle. Brand new exhaust all the way back. Floor pans look phenomenal. Everything's nice and tidy under here. No leaks that I saw. Obviously, we can't guarantee no leaks ever, but I didn't spot any leaks with my own eyes. Automatic transmission looks good. Balancing looks great. Again, all new exhaust. This car is absolutely ready to go. Tires all in great condition. If you do want to drive this car, which how couldn't you want to drive this car, but if you did want to drive it, it is absolutely road ready. Ice cold air conditioning, front end's tight. The engine was just out also for a $7,500 service, so we had a full reseal and just a full refresh on the motor. So again, this car is fully redone, and you know, you want to drive this car, you can drive it. If you want to preserve it, you can preserve it. It's an absolute showroom piece. Chrome on the front bumper is phenomenal as well. Let's pan across that. Crystal clear. Again, this car is 88,000 miles, but you would have no idea because it is in such pristine condition. Suicide doors is so cool. Convertible. I've yet to drive this car, but it would be nice to, because that is just, that's so sweet right there. So check it out, guys. Again, this vehicle will be for sale on bringatrailer.com. Whenever it goes live, we will put the link for the auction in the description. That way you can look at several more photos and bid on it if you'd like. You could take this vehicle home. Any questions or concerns, put them in the comments, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for looking. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.